energy minister no ekoye. Na energy minister koye no ko di nkomo. Wadi nkomo bebre. Nkomo no di ye no. Komo ben ya. Energy minister akojina, yes. I said the presidency communication present government accountability series with Honorable John Abulai Jinapor, MP, Minister for Energy and Green Transition. And then a ball of pepe and obedience all can obey energy minister. Near me, one near my obeto ye energy why ye so far. On a number as energy minister, a bina ye so far. Energy minister didn't send to do that. Now one, Obeka ECG wasem. Also the cabinet has approved privatization, the private sector participation in ECG's distribution network to increase revenue and improve efficiency. Mache. Makada da wofia say ECG. Yet the man ankran krombe hen ye because a government state property, government owned property nintino. Now, ama obiaye de ope wo ho, but say the ma private entity. Now the government have the majority share. Me to Kofo Ghana Telecom, Emma Vodafone, na omodema Telecel for no. Na Ghana foka, but Ghana still have majority shares. And then Ghana Commercial Bank, private entity, Ghana still have majority shares. ADB, Agricultural Development Bank, yet they are private company, Ghana still have majority shares. Airtel Tigo, yet they are private company, Ghana still have majority shares. At ECG, Eka ECG over the period needs to be privatized. See, a privatizing ECG, a beboye, as on mine. Na, any atimia konwa moma we ECG ni ye. No matimia we ECG no, ye. And we said there be ECG ni ye when ya, a beboye, as on mine. Ye we ECG ya, a fe, sike uniform baby a name, minumi and not one ma. A binding catcher, ye say. Now I was what year 1 CD go to Yaka at that ECG one. Yen Piasa because I didn't come to my own when we answer no matter my and Kanyan ye Tueska and Sani Aqua Cogeno and the San Kanya Nankasan a Casa daho. Eka edaho. I was you could ya. Nasakano and no any problems they say ya. Obia eka wasem sa kan any problem no and you say ye kan wasem enti ECG yema ankran kran nyuma meso mane nya PDS scandal ni bi PDS de ni bi mane nya sa because ekoye PDS de ni bia now Ghana be lose sika bebre so the government should sit down open tender even local investors for person mobile sombia we should give them have a good memorandum of understanding negotiations with them and they take over ECG so that they can do good mobilization and revenue collections so they buy sika a draining for ECG no and drain biem this that have been approved by cabinet but mama manen konkoye abusuan chemfa ni bi Asa ya na busuana fetire na enkrofobia wa ban mu PDS obekaya na ye wo banti akufo adunia banti ene ayi gabi ochire da akomu nyina ewo ayi PDS board so Williams akufo adumu nyina PDS board ayi friends this man Asante Bedi Atuo the secretary to the president na omu nyina the PDS board so they were the people fronting PDS. Enti ma money go koyesa. It's a banner or they ma private sector but on tongue but or they ma private sector ba be so ma ye ni ya. It is a good call in the right direction. Osaka say biem. Na edi asem no sa kan. The energy minister sa kan asem foforo. Nkoma wodi ye ni nyina na ede. Enti no PDS the PDS scandal yempebie wo Ghana. I say the Bible call come private entity. Yeah, the privatization. Ni ya ni beba ye wonso apɛ. Na ubo se aban na nkrofo no ma for me company. Yes ye de ama wo mu. Se omu na enye. Eno betimi do hawa brɛ asoman. The assistant now, the country needs to sit down, find a proper way, and find solution to this problem. And that is privatization. Young farmer, they should collect our revenue so that we can put them in check. The government should be the greatest shareholder of it. But the private entity, regulate ECG for us. ECG care da hono, and what thing? ECG about 56 billion. And which in a year, one CD, a levy. Edia kwa kutia. One CD levy. Edia kwa kutia. Now, energy minister sa kasai. Energy minister esa kasai. Na osedei. Energy minister say, government is working on solar projects to produce electricity, daylight use, and hydropower for night. Asem we yet there. See, the pa. Ebe desert wasu kra me hene. Asem dey me de. I say, government is working on solar project to produce electricity for daytime use and hydropower for night. Now, Ghana, the hydropower, and there is pressure on it. Akoso mono pressure was so. And the energy minister say, "Abina in Adjun said, Debio, Edura we are, Anopania we are now, and we are able to go qua. We can make good use of it through the solar. Eti Abina say, Oba be solar, na edi avia, Anopa to aviano, etimia mayenkania through the solar. Anopa to aviana mayenkania through the solar. Na enyumere no so ya store hydro energy no. That there will be no pressure on it. It's an open factories, any companies, they will be using the hydro, aviano and the bemaye to me, aviano and the day the pressure will leave the hydro. This is a good initiative because aviani botugu people are making good use. Oko other countries, to say Rwanda, Oko baby to say your friend say this country only Ghana independence pay. Oh. Malaysia is now transforming everyday life. They are using hydro. They are using solar energy to power their lights and do generations of light. Go to other advanced countries. That is what they are doing. Solar energy. And this is a good initiative. And when we do this, the solar will save our energy sector. The solar will save the energy. Now, fuel. I was here gas, but this time we will need the sunlight to produce. This is a good initiative. Say omokano ombeye ne sa ebeboaye asomai na bibia so atibia koso. The energy minister asa kasabiem. Energy minister say abayano asase e di 23,500 solar street lights. E di aba. Enti eye solar and kanya de ba bebo babonti street light. Enti now we are not going to produce hydro energy for the street light again. Eti ebe kate grade no by 300 megawatts. Eti street light wa Ghana hanyina no si eti be 23,500 street light solar street light be ba anwode na ebe jade ama ya grade na ya grade ni tandem street light ne nko ano aya 300 megawatts ebe ba be kan ya grade ne ho na bibia akoso ye. The solar system needs to start. This one too is a good initiative. Osaka said biem. I say government launched 85 million renewable energy project for islands communities. Government launched okay. I say government launched 85 million renewable energy projects for islands community. enkura ewo nsuo so enkuro onse ewo nkuro bi wa ewo nsuo so enkuro bi wa ewo nsuo so saa enkuro na ewo nsuo so nsuo ho omo ne from islands no o say aban ni disika $58 million eba be a renewable project, a renewable energy project ewo ade te say solar is a renewable energy project. They are not going to depend on our hydro. They are not going to depend on our grid. But a special one, a renewal, and the breeze of the water, that power. No? And it will also cut the extension. Into our island, so there was by force, it lay wires, and it's or say every community that is on an island, we are going to see to it say, sa community, no, we will do something to help them out. We will do something to let them understand, to cut them. Which is a project this is a clap for the government. And also so what do you come ewo wasaka se bim or say ECG yantonye amanfo akeka se yebeton ECG kole yebeton ECG no but ECG yanton ye TV ni mame yebeton ECG but ECG yanton ye ECG eda so ye adwuma eye aban dia nemum oma ankorankora ena abamu bi oma ankorankora ena aba beka ho no ma hwe na bibia so atimi akoso yeti ECG energy minister akasa yenton ye osa akasa osi we are setting up a committee to renegotiate existing power purchasing agreement with the independent power producers. Woma moma yen kanea no omo ton kanea nyina mahode de maye no o say enhyehyeye a abanda dane no mo koye no san hyehyeye no emu odene etu o matena se apa abedwakuo fofra o mo esa no mo kwa akotena na o mahwe na enkanea na o mo ton maye no o mama ye enkanea no ehun hyehyeye fofro ne enhyehyeye wo no ya sa akon fofro so de be betimi aboaye as oman. We need to renegotiate the IPPs. Independent power producers, we need to negotiate, we renegotiate them. Na bibia so etibi koso ye pa e wo honoma enya se keto akra ti odisan komo no e wo honoma I don't know say en odi no yenkotie se de o kan sansem no yekotie ba na afi yedwedwam na wo so watimi atibi na bibia so atimi akoso ye pa say ena the energy minister.
A couple of weeks ago, we launched our EV promotion program so that these EV vehicles would depend on solar for charging. I commissioned the first one at the Energy Commission, and as part of government efforts, we are importing the first EV vehicles for government agencies. So very soon, you will see ministers driving EV vehicles. We'll roll it out to other departments, and heads of agencies, some of who are here, would be driving EV vehicles powered by solar power. We will, in collaboration with the private sector, extend it to commercial drivers and other users so that EV vehicles would become a norm as far as the nation is concerned. This year, the ministry is developing a 5-year strategic document for the implementation of renewable energy and our green transition agenda. This will serve as a blueprint to guide us so that Ghana can make strides when it comes to renewable energy.
And you know, say na energy minister no no e wo hono ma o chire mu say Ghana ye say independent power producers no ye no be di nkomo na afi no o matete niema o ma ya negotiate niema na bibia so atimi akoso ye pa e wo na energy minister na sa chire mu eka say government e de niema agu akwam a niema government de agu akwam no ene de hia o say no government appointees nyina no omo e ba be use electric vehicle e wo honom government appointees da ro e ba be use electric vehicle la ɛno no waka ho asɛm ɛwɔ hɔnom sɛ government appointees nyinaa bɛ use electric vehicle ɛnkyɛ koraa no yɛbɛ start ho sɛ ɔmo use a ɛne no ɔmo ntɔ fuel biem because aban na hyɛ sɛ ɛsɛ yɛ mo fuel allowances bi abiem no ɛno no waka ho asɛm a ɛno nso so ɛwɔ hanom sɛ ya ɛno ɛka ho asɛm anti no ɛno a odi nkɔmɔ ɛkasae ɔkyerɛkyerɛ deɛ ba bebrebu nneɛma ɔmo de agu akɔ ɛba ɛbɛboa yɛ energy sector no na bibia so ɛtibi akɔso ya ɛno nkɔmɔ no wadidia ɛna ɔkyem ɔsi ECG is grappling with huge debt total to 67 billion Ghana cedis ɛka ɛwɔ ECG nko ano ɛyɛ 67 billion ɛna that ECG it needs privatization ɛwɔ hɔnom a ɛno nso so ɛho nkɔmɔbɔ ɛwɔ hanom sɛ ya wadi ho nkɔmɔ ɛwɔ hɔnom a na ɔsɛ government has repositioned the energy sector ɛno so ho nkɔmɔbɔ nso ɛwɔ ha ɛno ɔkan na ɛno no yɛnkonko tie ɛno kakra emra government has repositioned the energy sector say wama energy sector no atina ne naso agina yie pa ama nneɛma ekoyie de ma the energy sector enye asɛm keto akra na say ana odi sa nkɔmɔ no hɔ no ma na enye asɛm keto akra nti nkɔmɔ no wadi ne yie say ɔse aban ne bae no ɔde nneɛma atoto akwam de nneɛma egu akwam ama nneɛma agina yie ɛwɔ hɔ no ma enye asɛm keto akra nti the energy sector itself no because of say aban no de nneɛma egu akwam ti no said na atɔ fam na apro atete ampansam no they say wama na timi agina ne naso afa ne ntoma pa de afura wama na timi agina ne naso ama nneɛma timi akoso yie asese no aba be gina yie ya reposition no first na e wo impose but say ya reposition to the better side of it say and odisa
oil production had peaked at 71 million but declined over the past 5 years to about 48 million barrels. This clearly showed that the sector was on a downward trend. However, as a new government, we recognize that these challenges did not only pose as a difficult situation, but presented opportunities for us to transform the energy sector into one that is robust, resilient, and more importantly, green. We immediately set about addressing these issues through a multi-pronged approach. Firstly, we took steps to deal with the short-term challenges by stabilizing the grid, as well as pursuing medium to long-term investments in generation, transmission, and distribution sector, whilst addressing petroleum sector-related challenges. Under the able leadership of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, we engage investors in the upstream sector and pursued reforms in the downstream sector to address the dwindling fortunes in our exploration and production drive, whilst bringing about overall efficiency in the downstream sector. I am happy today to announce to you, members of the press, that these policy interventions are beginning to show positive strides and positive trends. The government has taken decisive steps to reposition Ghana's energy sector as a reliable engine of economic growth, industrialization, and social development.
No way. Tio, sa ana etieti enkoma energy sector ene obegina ya odiye. The energy minister Yera John Abulai Jinapor etibi eba ya obedi e de kire ye. Eno no say ye energy sector no o kirema afa ne ntoma pefura niema etibi akoya efiri na ekọ no be say yes ye energy sector no tumpon na ekọ nanim e wo bibia mu a ebebo ama niema so etimi akoko yeti Ghana. They say Ghana has been positioned very well, and the energy sector has been positioned very well at Enya Semketu Accra.